Welcome to our YouTube channel. Although depression is a very serious disease that can affect anyone of any age, symptoms of depression are also seen in teenagers, and these can be different between teens and adults. Biological changes, peer pressure, and academic expectations are the reasons for their mood swings. Depression among teens have serious consequences and also require extra care and long-term treatment. Psychological counseling will help them in improving their condition. Here we will discuss 7 most obvious signs of depression among teens. Number 1 is apathy. Apathy is the most prevalent sign of teen depression. Research shows that among 70% of adolescents who suffer from depression have this symptom. They had lack of interest in their surroundings, less motivated, and no emotions at all. That is linked to severe depression. It could be damaging for your teen. Number 2 is memory loss. Memory loss is another major sign that is linked to teen depression. It can cause short-term memory loss in them. They find it difficult to remember things that can impact on their studies and also major cause of stress for them. Number 3 is social isolation. Social isolation is also seen in other patients of depression, but for teens it could be very serious. They totally isolate themselves from others and lock themselves in room for longer periods. Research shows that social isolation was much serious among teens rather with depression among to any other age group. According to one study, 69% of adolescents aged 13 to 19 isolated themselves or feel alone as compared to any other age group. Number 4 is preoccupation with death and dying. Study shows that teens who suffer from depression were more suicidal than any other age group. Adolescents who suffer from depression have more suicidal thoughts and incline to suicides. All this because at this age we are going through many hormonal changes and had a lot of pressure due to our parents' expectations, societal values, our own desires and body changes. According to one findings of 2019, 18.8% of high school students seriously considered attempting suicide and 8.9% of actually attempted suicide. Number 5 is excessive or inappropriate guilt. Teens who suffer from depression often complain about feelings of guilt, shame, or self doubt. All these signs are linked to teen depression. They will have feelings of guilt for no reason or for having low grades in exams. They will criticize themselves and doubt on their own abilities. This excessive guilt or self doubt create low levels of self esteem in them. They will constantly apologize for minor misbehavior or feeling guilty about things that happened long time ago. Also have feelings of shame and doubt on their self. Number 6 is body aches. Teens who were depressed also had body aches and pain, which include headaches, stomach aches, low back pain, and fatigue. According to one findings published on Journal of Primary Health Care, between 10% and 30% adolescents reported frequent weekly or frequent headaches. Between 10% to 25% have had abdominal pain, and between 5% and 33% muscle pains, and these are associated with depression. Study shows that the prevalence of depression was higher than average among adolescents with recurrent pain symptoms in both sexes. Number 7 is extremely sensitive to failure or rejection. At this age, individuals are more sensitive. They can't take rejection or failure. Parent high expectation makes them sensitive to failure or rejection. It has been seen among depressed teens, if they fail or face a rejection, they go into extreme depression. Between age 13 to 18, individuals are more sensitive to rejection, but is more severe among depressed individuals. They can't hold rejection, and in result they go in isolation or sometimes commit suicide. Study shows that teens who failed their exams, committed suicide, or who faced rejection try to commit suicide regardless of gender differences. So this was our today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.